Hey guys, this is a quick video on how to fix a remote control when it get wet. This one, for example, is a Fire TV stick remote control. I put by mistake on my washing machine, and then what I had to do is just open it up, right? Just need to use a tool like a screwdriver or something, and carefully open the remote control. And then you just put it on the sun, for example, okay? So it's going to dry here with the sunlight. You can even use blow dryer to help to dry a little bit, and later you let for a while on the sun, and then you just close it back and put the battery, right? And then you test again to see if it works. So there we go, guys. I'm testing the remote control again, so I could turn on the TV, and I can also control. So working pretty fine, no problem at all. Every single button here is working. I've been testing everything here. I can load Netflix and do whatever I want here. Basically working, okay? So I hope this helps. Please leave your comments here, subscribe to this channel, and I see you in the next video.